Are we live? I think so. Yes, we are live. Hello, hello. Let's hear our stream voice. Are we sounding good or not? Let's hear it. Okay, let's start. I think we are sounding good. And let's go. When will be that day when I start streaming people? A lot of people come over. Uh, uh, let's start with the tree problems. Tree problems. Okay, let's start tree boundary traversal given a root of a binary tree. Given a root of a binary tree, its boundary. Then its boundary in the following order: left boundary, leaf nodes, reverse right boundary. So reverse right boundary means 9673. Okay. Left, right upwards, left downwards, right upwards. Okay, this is it. Let's make a tree. 0, not 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 3, 7. Yo, bro, yo. Hi, bro. Long time no see. So, yes, I used to do CPP. No, I still do CPP, but just to get the hang of Python, I am doing Python just to have that something to learn. I'll revise those questions and at the same time I know a language better. It's boring to watch tutorial and just know things that this is how it works. You can apply instead of जॉब में तो नहीं. गोलैंग. Left traversal leaves 4, 8, 9, 6, 7 are leaves. 3 is I think only the right subtree. Print 1, print 2, then 4, 8, 9, 6, 7 are leaves. Okay, we can write. हाँ भाई. ऑफिस. ऑफिस. अरे भाई. How to start DSA? Go on a platform, start solving. If you don't know anything, chat GPT. Again go back. Do the same thing. Keep on doing the same thing. So how we will solve this? We will declare a traversal where we'll store everything. Uh, let's do this first. You have lot many questions to do. You have to keep your focus on something. So yeah. What is it? Yeah, result. If कल का भी. Okay, bro. Then solve more problems. Then solve. I think contest is coming. I think Saturday evening, Monday morning. I don't know. Lead code contest you can give. Or I think both morning. Yes, start giving those then. Mm-hmm. Okay. We need to traverse left. मेरे से भी नहीं होता. Left traversal. We are on the same boat, bro. Just keep doing. That's all you can do. If you go left, if root is equals to none, I think yes. Return. Keep going hard left. काफ़ी Node.js important है कि नहीं? Don't know. It depends on where you work. Any language is important where you work. Just learn concept, not language. Backend is backend. Left traversal self dot left traversal. Left traversal. We have to just traverse left, left, left. If we don't have left, then it means we have right. You think it is easy. Boilerplate code is easy. Now, to optimize it, to have a good SEO and everything, more things are there to do in front end. Self root, just go hard left. If there is no left, then right in right. Solve as much as you can. Cover everything, every topic. Solve 10-15 problems. That's it. Then keep on practicing. If we go hard left, and is 5 there? But 5 is not on the boundary. No, 5 is in the boundary. 5 is in the boundary. Okay, so we'll give preference to left first. Not this dot left. And self dot left tra- self dot left traversal is equals to wrong root dot right. And what we need to do is keep on adding result dot append root dot data. And I think that's it. Diff right right traversal right traversal is equal to self dot root. And if root is equals to none, then what we say return, unless that we append it root dot data, and we give preference to right first. Traversal root dot right. Okay, root dot right self dot right traversal root dot left. Okay, and leaf traversal leaf leaf tra- tra- traversal. And what we do is same signature is same, but here root root dot left should be none, and root dot right also should be none, which means that it's a root node. What we do is append root dot data. I think this is normal traversal left to right. We'll do a first call for left. What I'm thinking, self dot left root dot left. Why I wrote left traversal, leaf traversal, leaf self dot leaf traversal root dot right. If root, no, root is equals to none return. I think that should be there. If root is equals to none, return result self. Didn't write self anywhere. Self 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 result result dot append root dot data. And what we need to call is self dot left traversal root dot office root dot left self dot right, not right, self dot leaf traversal, because we are coming from left to right. Root, should we add root? We can add root. Self dot right traversal, but root dot right return self dot result. But I think right traversal should be opposite direction. Should be how to invert that, or we have another data structure for right. We then say we inverted, sorry, not inverted, reverse it and add it root dot right. We go hard right. We- Then I feel strain on my eyes. In light mode, it's better. You won't feel restless. That's what I feel. In dark mode, you have to like this. In this, you just glance it, not hard look at the screen. You just glance it. You can see. I used to do dark mode, but I used to get tired easily because I have to always like this focused. Take zero positionals argument. Sorry. 1 2. How come 5 is printed? 1 2 4. 1 2 4. 8 9 6 3 7. Do we need to go only left, right? If root dot after this, if it doesn't work, we have to look at the solution. Don't waste much time. Does it fix else problem? Oh, Why 2 times 4 is coming? Do I need to add that thing? Do I need to add that thing? Let's try if self dot uh, not self dot root dot left is not equal to none, and root dot right is not equal to none. Think this should work at least. Okay, but how is this getting handled? uh, that's the question. 6 6 7, it's 3, but if let's say there were more, then we need reverse of it. How to get reverse? Don't know. Let's submit it. Most probably it will fail. One is added to 1 to 5. See, that's the issue. How to reverse it? How to reverse it without any other data structure? Append self dot right trav dot reverse. Oh, I think there would be better way of doing this instead of this. But let's just solve it for the time being. Oh, so many attempts. Let's see how to do it better. Okay, I was not collecting leaf. Okay, this is I am doing. Hmm. And how is it reversed? Collect right. Oh, like 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 4, 3. Okay, while going down, it will print this. While going up, makes sense. Makes sense. Okay, it is forever lost because we didn't catch at the starting. Route right, we did. Why is that? How come 3 is getting lost? Okay, now I understood. It makes sense now. Yeah. No problem. Diameter of a tree. Connect nodes of level. Binary tree. Diameter of binary tree. Diameter is called the width. Tree has defined the number of edges on the longest path between any two leaves. Now that the path may or may not pass through the root of the tree. So it says it may or may not pass the root of the tree. It means it can be on the left subtree or on the right subtree. Number of edges 1, 2, 3, 4. So either in left, either in right, or right plus left, including the root. So we have three options. Diameter can be on the left subtree, right subtree, or both. DEF solve. Return. Left tree self dot solve. What does it give? Root dot left. Right tree gives some answer. Self dot solve root dot right. Max of the left, max of the right, or max of right left plus 1. We need to count the depth. With each step we need to count the depth. Return left 3 comma right 3. भाई कर लिया डिनर. तो ये नींद आ रही है तो भी उसी चक्कर में. मैक्स. Hmm. How will calculate the depth? Uh, uh, we have to have a variable. Without a variable can't increase. Depth is equals to depth plus 1. Depth plus 1. And we start from here. We go left. 0 plus 1. Then depth. Left subtree gets it. Right subtree gets it. And 3 plus right 3 plus 1. Third option. We go here 5. It's your body, bro. Whatever you want to do. 5. We are at 5. We go 1 depth, 2 depth. right, left, left, left we go, and again left we go. This we get, again left we go. Depth will say 2, but that is not correct. Okay. Okay, if condition is required, I think. Mm, Left plus 1. Again, left is not there. We'll go back, we'll go right. Right plus 1. Right plus 1. After doing right plus 1. So can't go left, we can't go right. We go back. Right is 2. No, left is 2. Left is 2. We go back. Left is 2. We go back. And what we check is, then we go right, right. We don't go right. We don't go right. Right is return. So right in this case is 0. Left is 2. 2, 2 comma 0 comma 2 0 plus 1 3. 3 is the, we return 2. And then we go right. Then we go left. Left is there. Then left, left, that plus 2. Again, no right, no left. Go back. Left, right, both have 2. I'm not getting it. राइट सब ट्री की हाइट, लेफ्ट सब ट्री की हाइट, और उन दोनों की हाइट 4 हो गई। उन दोनों की हाइट क्यों यार? हर नोड की हाइट होनी चाहिए ना। We should have, this is okay. Let's see how I solved it previously. Brain is not working. Left, right. Answer could be left plus right. Max of left or right. One of it among the two plus one for the root. Left plus right. Okay, okay. Huh. Irrespective of that, it was going in. Uh, Bottom up, I should have thought. Go in the depth, then come up. Then I would have been able to solve it. Then I would have been able to solve it. Max plus 1. DEF in it. Max of result comma left 3 plus right 3 should be the answer. Self dot self dot result self dot result and self dot solve load. Event depth is not required because depth is top to bottom and this is bottom to up, which solve that problem of subtrees. Instead of having whole tree depth, we have subtree depth that is returned. Okay, that is not required and return self dot result. Self. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, you get it. I should have done self dot solve left. It's bottom up, bottom up, not top down. Given the root of a binary tree, the root of a binary connect all the nodes at the same level using additional next right pointer for each node. Initially, all next right pointer contain garbage value or null value. Your function should set each node to point to its immediate neighbor on the same level. Level order traversal, we can see level order traversal ECPC. Level order traversal. We are on this level, then this level 2 points to 3, 3 points to none, 4 points to 5, 5 points to 6, 6 points to none. At each level, we do this thing, this exercise. I am forgetting we use loop also sometimes. Q U E U E. Dot append. There is Q U E U E Q in Python. I think there is Q in Python. Q Q dot append Q dot data. Well, Q. What we need to do is Q size of Q for in range SZ. If it is a first, then we will say its next right is none. And elif else, but this is always true that previous is equals to current. So if it's a first, let's say 2 to 2 next points to none, okay, and previous is equals to current. Now 3 comes out. Now 3 comes out. Previous is equals to current. Like for example 4 comes out. 4 next is none, and previous is equals to current, which is equals to 4. 5 comes out, and 5 comes out, and we say it's none of those. So previous right is equals to current, that is 5, and previous is now is equals to 5. Hmm. Okay. If root dot left not equal to none, then dq dq was it add or not? Append append root dot left if root dot right is not none, then we say not dq q dot append root, root dot right. He'll keep on doing it. Return root. Let's do a dry run on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Level 1 size is 1. Current is popped. I is 0. So its next write will be none. Nothing else will be triggered. Previous is equals to current. And left and right will be added, that is 2, 3. Now 2 pops out, 0th 2 points to none, and previous is pointing to 2. Now again we are at the last size minus 1. What we do is current current is 3, that points to none, and previous points to current, that is 2 points to 3. That's it. We add Two's right and left. Four, five. Three doesn't have left, has right. Six. Four pops out. Points to none. Previous points to four. Five pops out. Now 4 points to five. And previous is five. And 5 points to none. Six pops out. That is the last one. The four is 5 points to six. And 6 points to none. That's the end of it. Ah. Node root dot data root append tq doesn't apply to a node. What does it mean? What does it mean node? Do I have to add it somewhere? I type append to- so okay. Pop pops from right, not left. Whole thing went downstream. Did I write DQO pop left? Time limit exceeded. Okay. But I am taking length at the very beginning. Uh, does it have any effect on this? Why it is giving time limit exceeded? Wow, in first go. What? ChatGPT was suggesting something else if previous. Coming out of that. Yeah, same thing. Okay, guys, done for the day. I think no one is there on the stream. Uh, how long we stream? 1 hour 30 minutes. It was good, guys. You guys are awesome. See you in the next one. Bye bye. We'll try to do more questions and keep grinding, guys. Bye.